Question 2 of this exercise is a simple question based on the addition of integers. Here's what it says. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So this is the question, and all we have to do in this question is to add up the scores in the 5 rounds, and that will give us Jack's total score at the end. So let's do that now. So let's write the scores that Jack obtained in the 5 rounds. So the scores were 25, then minus 5, then minus 10, then 15, and then in the last round we had 10 again. So the total will simply be, we add these 5 integers. So the total will be 25, then we have plus minus 5, then we add minus 10, then we add 15, and then we add 10 again. Okay, so now let's add these 5 integers. So 25 plus minus 5, how much will this be equal to? So this will be equal to 20, correct? And then we can see that this minus 10 and this plus 10 can be cancelled out like this, and then we have this 15 which is left. So we will get 20 plus 15 or 35. So Jack's score at the end, total score at the end will be 35, and this is the answer. 35 is the answer for question number 2. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.